Picture this. You wake up to find that your AI influencer has generated hundreds of dollars in passive income overnight. Sound like a dream? With APOB.AI, it's a reality. Keep watching to learn how you can make this your new normal. AI influencers are taking social media by storm, amassing huge followings on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. These digital personas, created using AI technology, are becoming a powerful tool for content creators looking to monetize their skills in new ways. Enter APOB.AI, a game-changing platform that allows you to create your own AI influencer with ease. Whether you use your own photos or generate images entirely with AI, APOB.AI puts the power of AI influencer creation at your fingertips. But here's the real kicker. Mastering this tool can open the door to significant passive income. Imagine your AI influencer working for you 24/7, engaging with followers and promoting products, all while you sit back and watch the money roll in. So, you're ready to dive in and create your own AI influencer? Let's go then. The sign-up process on APOB.AI is a breeze. In just a few simple steps, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the potential of this innovative platform. First things first, head over to the official APOB.AI website and look for the Get Started button. You can find the link in description with some special discount code, but let's talk about that in later phase. So click Get Started, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Log into your account and start exploring the wealth of features APOB.AI has to offer. The user-friendly interface makes navigation easy even if you're new to the world of AI influencers. If you do encounter any hiccups along the way, APOB has got your back. Their FAQ section is a goldmine of information, addressing common questions and concerns. And if you need a little extra guidance, their support team is just a message away, ready to assist you via the contact information on the website. So, what are you waiting for? With a streamlined sign-up process and a supportive community at your fingertips, APOB.AI is your gateway to the exciting realm of AI influencers. Sign up today and start generating passive income in a whole new way. Now that you've got your APOB account set up, it's time to bring your AI influencer to life. With free plan, you got 80 credits daily for image generating. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we walk you through the process of uploading your photo or generating an entirely unique AI image. Creating your dream AI influencer on APOB is a straightforward process that offers endless possibilities. To get started, you can either upload your own photo or let the platform's AI technology generate a unique image for you. If you choose to use your own photo, ensure it's a high-quality, well-lit image that clearly shows your face. APOB's advanced face detection technology will analyze your features and create a hyper-realistic AI clone that captures your unique style and essence. If you prefer to let the AI to do the work, simply input your desired characteristics and watch as the platform generates a stunning, one-of-a-kind AI influencer. APOB's extensive library of customization options allows you to fine-tune every aspect of your creation, from hair color and style to facial features and expressions. And just like that, in few seconds, your new AI influencer is ready. As you explore the platform's vast array of customization options, keep in mind that the key to a successful AI influencer lies in finding the perfect balance between AI-generated content and your own creative input. By infusing your unique style and personality into your AI creation, you'll be able to connect with your audience on a deeper level and establish a strong brand identity. With your AI influencer taking shape, you're well on your way to unlocking the potential of this exciting technology. But what if you could take your creation to the next level by transforming static images into captivating videos? In the next section, we'll explore how APOB's image-to-video feature can help you create engaging content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Transforming your AI influencer's captivating images into dynamic videos has never been easier, thanks to APOB's intuitive image-to-video feature. This powerful tool allows you to breathe life into your static content, creating engaging videos that resonate with your audience. To get started, simply upload your desired images to the platform and select the video format that best suits your needs. APOB's advanced AI technology handles the rest, seamlessly converting your images into high-quality videos. To ensure your videos captivate and engage your audience, consider these tips. First, select visually stunning and relatable images that align with your brand's message. Keep your content concise and focused, as shorter videos tend to perform better in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Incorporate a compelling narrative that resonates with your target audience, drawing them into your AI influencer's world. And don't forget the power of high-quality visuals. Experimenting with different poses and backgrounds can help keep your content fresh and visually appealing. By leveraging APOB's image-to-video feature and following these best practices, you'll be well on your way to creating captivating content that sets your AI influencer apart from the crowd. As you continue to experiment and refine your approach, you'll discover the immense potential of this innovative technology in revolutionizing your video creation process. With your AI influencer now equipped with a growing library of engaging videos, it's time to explore the exciting world of monetization. In the next section, we'll delve into proven strategies for transforming your AI creation into a profitable venture, from affiliate marketing and subscriptions to promotional videos and brand partnerships. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your AI influencer and start generating passive income like never before. With your AI influencer equipped with engaging videos, it's time to explore monetization strategies to transform your creation into a profitable venture. Affiliate marketing is a popular choice where you promote products or services and earn a percentage of the sales generated through your unique affiliate link. To succeed in affiliate marketing, consistency is key. Regularly create valuable content that resonates with your audience and naturally incorporates the products you promote. Another lucrative option is offering exclusive content through subscription-based platforms like School and Patreon. By providing premium content, such as behind-the-scenes footage, personalized messages, or exclusive tutorials, you can entice followers to become paying subscribers. This approach generates a steady income stream beyond traditional ad revenues or one-off promotional campaigns. Promotional videos are a highly engaging way to showcase your AI influencer's talents while partnering with brands. Combine your AI influencer's realistic visuals with compelling storytelling to create captivating videos that promote products or services. When collaborating with brands, ensure the partnerships align with your AI influencer's persona and values to maintain authenticity and credibility. Building a devoted following is crucial for monetization success. Consistently post high-quality content that appeals to your target audience and actively engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Nurturing a strong connection with your audience fosters trust and loyalty, making them more likely to support your monetization efforts. Collaborating with other AI influencers and brands can significantly boost your reach and earnings potential. Platforms like Discord provide opportunities to connect with fellow AI creators, share resources, and arrange collaborations. By cross-promoting content and tapping into each other's audiences, you can expand your influence and attract new followers. As you explore various monetization strategies, remember that success as an AI influencer requires hard work and consistency. Stay true to your AI influencer's persona, regularly post engaging content, and prioritize building genuine connections with your audience. By focusing on organic growth and avoiding shortcuts like buying followers, you'll establish a strong foundation for long-term success in the exciting world of AI influencers. So, what's your next step on the path to passive income? It's simple. Head over to APOB.AI and sign up today. By clicking on my exclusive link in the description and using special code ONLY15, you'll even receive a 15% discount on your subscription. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to harness the power of AI and start building your own profitable online venture. For more tips and strategies on making incognito money, be sure to check out our video, 10 Trending Faceless YouTube Channel Ideas to Make $10,000 a Month in 2024. Dream big, hustle harder.